Hello, and welcome to your Citizenship Vocabulary Notes. This is part 1 because this unit will be broken up into many parts, and those parts will each have new vocabulary. This time, we're dealing with citizenship and naturalization. The first word that you need to know is government. Government is a political administration. In other words, the government are the people that we entrust to make, carry out, and interpret the laws that we live under in our country. You know about the government. You've seen them all over before. The government includes the president, the vice president, Congress, the Supreme Court. You've seen them. You hear about what they do. You know who they are. They are the government. The next word you need to know is citizen. A citizen is a native or naturalized member of a state or nation who owes allegiance to its government and is entitled to its protection. Every person in these pictures is a citizen. You are most likely a citizen. Most of the people you know are citizens. There are people who were either born in a state or nation or who moved to that state or nation and became naturalized. The next word is citizenship. Citizenship is the state of being vested with the rights, privileges, and duties of a citizen. In other words, it's being given the rights and privileges and duties of a citizen for your allegiance by a country or a nation. Your next word is naturalization. Naturalization is the act of giving an alien the rights and privileges of a citizen. In other words, you're giving someone who was born somewhere else the rights and privileges of a natural-born citizen. That's why they become naturalized. Your next word is allegiance. Allegiance is the loyalty of a citizen to his or her government. That's why every morning you pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States, and that is you pledging your allegiance to the United States of America, the government which gives you your rights and duties and privileges. Our next word is process. This word may be review. A process is a systematic series of actions directed at some end. In other words, in a process, there are going to be steps that people follow to get to the end of the process. For the political process, which we will learn about, that means that there is a process or there are steps that people must go through in order to be elected to political office. You're also going to learn about due process. Due process are the steps that the government must go through when they accuse a person of committing a crime. If they don't go through those steps, then that person's right has been violated. Your last word for this section of vocab is protection. Protection is preservation from injury or harm. The reason this comes up in civics is because you should be able to expect some form of protection to come from your government. They protect us from external threats. So, protection is another word that you will see in civics class in this unit. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your class.